Hi everyone, welcome back. Nancy here, and look who I'm with.
Yes, I am her husband.
Jim. This is
that's
Jim.
right. That's right.
Okay, so we're all in the same boat at the moment, aren't we? All in quarantine, all
We're
staying.
not in a boat, though, really.
No, we're not in an actual boat, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So we're all staying at home.
But we're not actually in a boat.
I thought we were in a boat. Aren't we all in the same boat? Is that what they say? We're all in the same.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go with it.
If you were in a boat, what boat would you be?
We're not actually in a boat. Anyway, carry on.
So we're all, we're staying at home, keeping ourselves busy. Jim,
Yeah.
what have you been? Now I was telling people earlier that you've got me really into bird watching.
Yes.
I'm loving the bird situation in our garden.
We've got lots of birds that are turning up in the garden. We've got
blue tits,
great tits, long-tailed tits, coal tits.
Yeah.
Greenfinch, goldfinch. Well, there's all other birds.
I was going to say an innuendo,
do some makeup that I might maybe look at birds.
I think, maybe because the colours are incredible. So
you've got some good colours.
Yeah, let's just get all those colours on your face.
Yeah, can you make me look like a goldfinch?
Dunno. Yeah, let's try. Right, so I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to put on, if you take your glasses off, please.
Thank you.
Now, you don't mind. I've washed my hands 50 times today. Once again, as I said before, we're all in the same boat.
What's this you're putting on?
Oh, this is, okay, just showing everybody at home. This is Pore Professional, and this is a lighter pink one. So it's just going to make your foundation stay on a bit longer and minimise your pores.
Minimise my pores. Do you mean like that?
Just going to tighten up your skin. Look how smooth. Look at your skin. Look how smooth it is.
I look 20 years. No, actually, I look about 20 seconds younger. Go on then. Put the makeup on.
Okay, so just going to get that on. Just going to put some of this foundation on. It's got an SPF 15, Jim, so when you go out, you won't get burnt as well. This is fresh new foundation from Body Shop. Okay, just going to apply that on here. This is good to put on before I apply.
You put it on my beard?
I'm not sure. I'm scared to.
Oh, well, don't just leave that as a white mess.
Should I just leave the beard?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you want me to colour the beard? Put some colour on that?
Probably best not to.
Okay. I was going to...
Just for laziness, I was thinking I'd have to go and shower and wash it all off. I mean, I'm going to have to anyway.
So look how beautiful he looks.
I only like to shower on my birthday, if I can help it.
Ooh, it's stinky. Right, okay, so we've got that. And now we are going to... there it is. Just going to put some powder on. This is a Maybelline powder, because you don't want any shine. Nothing worse than
And then you're going to put the colours over the top.
Yeah, this is your base for what I'm about to do. I don't actually know. I'm trying to think of what I saw the other day, and I tried to draw a bird. It was really bad, wasn't it? I can't draw.
I thought it was all right.
Lizzie said it looked like a foot. I mean,
I saw it was a foot bird.
I can't draw. It's just. I'm trying. I am trying. I can do makeup. Right. So Jim, you like big colours, don't you?
I want bright red. There's a good dollop of bright red.
Well, I've got that. I've got this like a shimmery red here.
We're doing me like a goldfinch.
Yeah, I don't know.
All right, do the shimmery red. That's good.
So what, on the eyes?
Well, no, actually, it's right. Yeah, above. So yeah, go above, like bright red above.
What, on the
all
over like That's not coming out. I might have to do the green maybe. No, that's coming out.
It's coming out red.
Yeah, it's
Have you
coming
got your
out.
lipstick?
Yeah.
Can you put that on?
Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get
a nice red lipstick, bright red.
So this is a really nice red. This is from this is Gucci, you know.
Is it? We'll use it sparingly.
Yeah, I know. Gucci
Like,
red,
I want it
baby.
right over the top there.
What, just quite big?
Yeah.
Like that. Like following the eyebrow.
Yeah. and going like like a unibrow.
Oh right, so going across.
Yeah.
So I'm going to basically make you into a bird that I've seen
Yeah.
in
Just do a little triangle above it in the middle.
Would you colour the triangle in?
Yeah.
Oh God, you're looking good already. You are.
That's pretty neat, isn't it?
Okay.
I look a little bit like Peter Gabriel
Okay. Right now.
in
go on
early
then.
Genesis.
What do we do
Now I
now?
want bright yellow. Have you got bright yellow?
It's got this here. From
Gold.
This is from. Yeah, this is Chanel makeup. Okay, this is good. Got good variation of colours. Where do you want the yellow?
On the cheeks. Quite a good amount.
Do you feel yourself transforming into the bird? You know, like
No.
start doing the noises.
That was more like a golden eagle.
Yeah.
That's the call you do when you want to attract my attention in the supermarket, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, it is. At the moment, we can't go to.
Did you used to do that when you were young to attract the attention of your friends?
All the time.
So you didn't know where they were.
Turn to me. Yeah. Turn the other way. Yeah, that's good. So, and then, okay. So what next?
Is that? Yeah. Well, there's the white. Quite a bit of white.
I don't have white. I don't think.
So you haven't got a bird makeup kit,
Right.
really.
I didn't get.
Anything that's white? Any talcum powder?
I think we.
There's got to be something that's white, isn't it?
Can you think of another colour?
Well-
oh, there. That
Well,
would
that's
do.
quite pale, isn't it?
Yeah, that would do. Okay, we've
Well,
got it.
go around
Found it
the
on the
eyes,
Chanel kit. Now the eyes.
Maybe, yeah, go around the eyes a bit. White.
Close eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, so now, as you can see, we are eyes.
And then under
Hope
the
you're all,
eyes.
hope you're all enjoying this, everyone. Under eyes with white.
Yeah, go on. It's not much. It's not particularly goldfinchy, but
That's
I think we might have to apply quite a bit of black.
Okay. What birdie? We've got so many like different birds. They're so cute, aren't they? The robins are so angry. They get really angry, don't
You
they?
know, wrens are quite angry as well.
Are they really?
Yeah. Let's get some black on. What have you got that's black?
I've got black is just over there in that cupboard. I can get the eyeliner out. What do you want?
A black nose.
Oh, what, like whole black?
Yeah.
What?
Can you just rub that in then?
You can. This is amazing. Oh my God, you are transforming into a bird. Okay, so what now?
It's looking less and less like a goldfinch.
Okay, what is it? A parrot?
I think you might be right, yeah. Or maybe some kind of minor bird.
Okay, so what now?
I want more black on, I think.
What,
Around the eyes, black around the eyes.
What, like on? Okay. You just need black, yeah. Because the colours are incredible on birds, aren't they?
Yeah. On some birds, not all birds.
What's your favourite birdage?
What,
Other than me. Hey!
Do you mean a British garden bird? The ones that we're seeing now?
How's that for that eye? Like black.
Oh yeah, I like that one.
Yeah.
I like watching the long-tailed tits. I like their antics. I like the way that they sort of shift around in little groups.
Yeah.
It's always exciting when a new bird turns up, like a greenfinch turned up the other day.
Yeah, I know, I couldn't believe that.
You know, and when the goldfinches come
Okay.
out.
Is that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who do you think I look like?
I'm not sure, like someone from Star Wars? I
You know,
can't
it is, yeah. Do you
It's
know
like
what?
the Star Wars,
From
eh?
some planet.
Yeah, but you look like Planet Zor. Planet Zetron.
That'll do, yeah.
So, lipstick, just to finish off.
Yes, please.
Okay, what colour would you like?
Bright red.
You know what, this is my favourite colour too. But I'm just going to apply it from the Gucci, because, yeah, same. Yeah, you look... It reminds me of the sketch you did with Bob. Remember when you were dressed like for the Star Wars... Was it those characters?
No.
You had your long black cloak on. You did the Foster's thing. And you were like all dressed up.
Yes, I know what you mean, yeah. Well, it's. Do you know what? I'd probably be very successful in a glam rock group.
Yeah, what should we do?
Maybe called, I don't know, what's a good name for a wet fish? Isn't a good name for a glam. It's not a good
What
name.
about like Birdie or something? Birdo. Birdo.
Bird clock?
Bird clock's good.
Yeah, it sounds a bit mysterious.
And how would they sound? Like, way! Like that.
No, I think.
Or more
sort of
soft.
Because it's like, like a bit Brian Ferry, but
Yeah.
more bird-like.
What's her name?
Pretty
In your plane.
Cuckoo.
Bye, thank you for watching. Bye, Jim. Fly off. Fly
Hello.
off. Fly off to the sky. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and then you can watch more of my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.